In all time, nobody plans to lose their phone or get their phone stolen. But because this is life, such tends to happen. And whenever you lose or misplace your phone or your phone got stolen from you, apart from selling your phone, the person can also steal your money. That's why you have to follow different measures to make sure that your money, your phone is safe. You can't stop this from happening, but you can protect your money and protect yourself in case such happen. Now, in rare cases, a good person might pick up your phone and they will return it to you. But if that's not the case, when this method I have shared in today's video, you apply them in your phone, it will help you secure your phone. If the person is not good enough to return your phone, the person won't be able to steal your money from you in a way which is a good thing, and the person can just keep the phone. Soonest or later, you will definitely get money to get a new phone. That's why I'm sharing this method with my sprinkles. So keep on watching so you will learn. Hello Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and vlogs. I'll always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating video. Check out my other video and you will definitely know that this channel is filled with value-packed videos. In today's video, I will be talking about how to lock your SIM card on Android mobile phone. This video is dedicated to all my Android users out there. I see you guys. Keep on watching this video. You will definitely learn something valuable today. Before I go into the video proper, I would like to mention that there are two ways of locking your SIM card or protecting your phone if you lose it. The first way is the way I'll be sharing today, which is it's in your phone app. You just have to do one or two click and you will secure it. And the second way is taking your SIM card and your phone to your network provider. This means that different people use different network provider. I use Airtel. If you're in Nigeria, you understand this more. I use Airtel and Glo. That network like MTN and Nine Mobile. So if you're using any of that, and even if you're using Airtel or Glo, you have to go to your network provider so they can help you lock your SIM card. Secondly, note that locking of your SIM card is different from locking of your phone. There is phone security and there is SIM card security. So just hope know this and don't get them confused. I personally, I locked my SIM card. I have my SIM card lock, which is on my phone, and I have my security, my phone security. So in case I misplace my phone, what they do is to flash your phone. Like they flash your phone, there will be nothing, both your password, everything will be gone. The person will take your SIM card and insert it into another phone to see if they were able to transfer money from your SIM card. Why this second method of going to your provider is important is that even if they remove your SIM from your phone and put it in another phone, the SIM card itself is locked. So they need password to access your SIM card, to access the number. So even if they flash your security password off from your phone, they can't access into your SIM card. Hope you understand what I'm saying. So right now, let's go straight into the main video. I'm sitting at this point because I'll be sharing my screen with you on the steps to follow to lock your SIM card. Sprinkles, the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone. Go to the setting app on your phone, click on settings, scroll through the setting options and look for security. When you see security, you tap on security. Other Android phone has the way it is arranged. Okay, so I'm just sharing my own on how my own is arranged. Some people you have to go through more security before you get to this point. So just follow this step I'm giving you. You have an idea on how to use it on your own Android phone. Okay, so let's go back. So go to security, tap on security, and in security you will see other options there. Just scroll through and look for sim card lock. When you see sim card lock, tap on it. When you tap on sim card lock, you will see your network provider name, like if you're using MTN or you're using Airtel, you're using Glo and the rest. On that sim card lock, just click on that button there to enable it. Mine is already enabled. When I got my phone newly, I just enable it. I'm very prepared. So if you are using two sim cards like me, this option is for the two network provider. You can check it. It's for the two network provider. Then you tap on it on the same card lock, and that is all you have to do. In case you want to change the pin to the password when you get it, you go to just change pin, put your old pin, and you save it. But I didn't do all those things. I just tap on it. At this point, this is the end of the video. If you have any question, any point you don't understand, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely answer you. If you have locked your SIM card, how you did it, which one of the option you use, please leave it in the comment section. Let others learn. Okay. Also, if you have any video you want me to film for you, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely look into it. Also, if you have any additional advice you have based on sim lock, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, don't tell me you have not subscribed. Don't tell me you have not subscribed. Please, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe. Hit this subscribe button right now, please, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. Please don't forget to give this video a huge like so YouTube algorithm will send my video to other people. It will tell YouTube algorithm that this video is liked by people and it has value, and it will send my videos to other people, and our family will keep on growing and people will keep on learning, because that is my aim. I want a lot of people to learn from what I share. I don't want to keep it to myself. I want every other person out there to learn one or two. Okay, please don't forget to share my video. Share my video. It's very important to make my channel grow and gain visibility. Please share my video. Is another way to support me. Okay, share my video and let this community keep on growing. The more the merrier. Okay, please stay safe out there, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.